हेलो डॉक्टर्स एंड फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। स्वागत है एक बार फिर से कोच मिनिस्टर में। पिछली वीडियो में हमने अमेरिका के बारे में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग स्टैट्स को समझा था और जाना था डिफरेंट पाथवेज के बारे में जिनकी मदद से आप अमेरिका में डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं। और आज की वीडियो में हम यूएसएमएलई एग्जाम को डिटेल में समझने वाले हैं। तो बिना किसी देरी के चलिए शुरू करते हैं। If you are thinking about writing the USMLE, then there are many questions that might be rotating in your mind. Am I eligible for the exam? What is the exam structure and question pattern? What is the syllabus covered? What is the passing criteria? What is the cost involved? And so on and so forth. Let's talk about all these questions one by one. The first thing is eligibility criteria. The USMLE exam has 3 steps. Step 1, Step 2 and Step 3. As per the official USMLE website, for those studying outside the USA or Canada, a medical student enrolled in or graduated from a medical college which is listed in the World Directory of Medical School, then you are eligible for the USMLE Step 1 and Step 2 examination. If you are studying MBBS, please note, it doesn't say that you have to be in the first year or second year or anything like that. But it is recommended that you prepare and write the USMLE from second year onwards. After passing Step 1 and Step 2, you become eligible for Step 3. But you should know that for Step 3, you should have either completed your MBBS or should be about to complete your degree. Now let's move on to the next question, the USMLE exam format. As I previously mentioned, there are 3 steps. Step 1, Step 2 and Step 3. Step 1 is MCQ type test. The aim of Step 1 is to assess your understanding of important concepts of basic sciences and practice of medicine. This test puts a special emphasis on principles and mechanisms, underlying health, disease and modes of therapy. In Step 1, there are 280 MCQ questions and you have to do these questions in approximately 8 hours. Step 2, clinical knowledge, also is an MCQ type test. The objective of Step 2 is to assess your understanding of clinical science. In Step 2, you get 318 questions which you need to complete in 9 hours. Step 3 assesses your ability to apply medical knowledge. It also aims to assess your understanding of biomedical and clinical science necessary for the unsupervised practice of medicine, with emphasis on patient management. This is a hybrid exam conducted over 2 days. On day 1, you get 232 MCQ questions that you're supposed to answer in 6 hours. On day 2, you get 180 MCQ questions that you're supposed to answer in 4.5 hours. After this, you go for 13 computer-based simulations, which is supposed to assess your patient management skills. Each simulation lasts about 10 to 20 minutes. After looking at the exam pattern, one can understand how rigorous the USMLE is. But you should also know that there is a limit to the number of attempts one can take the examination. You get 4 attempts to clear each of the USMLE steps. Also, there is no negative marking in the USMLE exam. If you answer 60% of your questions correctly, you are likely to pass the exam. Well, the next question is, how much does the USMLE cost? Let's look at the exam fees. One-time ECFMG fees is $160 American dollars. Step number 1 exam fees is $1,000 American dollars and international delivery surcharge is $195 American dollars. Step 2 exam fees is $1,000 American dollars and international delivery surcharge is $220 American dollars. Step 1 and Step 2 testing region charge is $90 American dollars and Step 3 application fee is $925 American dollars. The total fees will be $3,590 US dollars. तो ये था आज का वीडियो। उम्मीद करते हैं आपको पसंद आया होगा और अगर ऐसा है तो इस वीडियो को कर दीजिए लाइक और कर दीजिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब। हम आपसे मिलेंगे एक और नए वीडियो में। अगर आपके मन में कोई भी डाउट है तो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछना ना भूले। विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर। बाय बाय।